wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best massage balls. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, this gofit 5 inches made by wrapping a lightweight foam over a solid core, creating a surface that penetrates deep into your muscles without causing too much pain. The textured exterior keeps it in place on the floor or wall while you roll around on it. The lime color makes it hard to misplace, and it comes with a training booklet. However, it has very little give. At number 9, the Gaiam Restore Hot and Cold can provide a myriad of therapeutic benefits, especially for tired, injured, or chronically sore feet. The kit includes a spiked ball for increasing circulation to fatigued areas and a smooth one for rolling out knots. These warm quickly in hot water and are safe to cool in the freezer, but the material is extremely slippery. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the gofit Ball X2 has a bungee cord jutting out of each end, which you can grasp to direct pressure wherever you need it. This also enables you to dictate how firm of a massage you want, as you can reduce the intensity simply by easing up on your grip. It includes an informational poster and a non-slip rubber surface. However, it's not ideal for use on trigger points. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage balls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the peanut-shaped sklz dual point has an indentation in the middle designed to cradle the spine as it works up and down your back. This also makes it ideal for loosening up your IT bands and reducing tension in other long muscle groups. It fits in a purse or gym bag and helps boost tissue mobility, but note that it doesn't roll smoothly over fabric. Moving up our list to number 6, the Trigger Point Performance Foam is designed to mimic the pressure of thumbs to give you targeted myofascial release. It's a smart middle ground for users who want a firm massage that digs deep into their tissue, but who find hard plastic models to be too painful. It's good for small muscles and has an easy-to-clean foam surface. An extra firm option is also available. Halfway up our list at number 5, the uniformly spaced spikes on the rumbleroller BXA Beastie allow you to apply local pressure to any knots or trigger points in your muscles. Each individual bump is extra firm, so you can really dig in deep without having it collapse on you. It comes with a base for stability and is about the size of a tennis ball. It works well over clothing. At number 4, the pro-tec Athletics Orb provides a firm feel, so it isn't for users who prefer a delicate touch. Its dotted surface sinks into affected areas anywhere on your body, helping to break up knots and relax any overly tight muscles. It comes in multiple colors and sizes and works well on the piriformis. The EVA foam holds its shape over time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Epitomie Fitness Muscle Max has a grid of deep seams running all around its exterior, laid out in different patterns. This varies the angle and severity of the pressure it exerts, preventing your muscles from becoming accustomed to it. It can withstand up to 500 pounds and is excellent for neck pain. It comes with a travel bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage balls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you get several relief options in this offering from Invincible Fitness. It comes with 4 balls of different sizes, including 2 spiky models, one soft, one firm. While each is useful in its own right, it's the variety that makes this kit stand out. It's helpful for plantar fasciitis, and it makes an excellent training preparation aid. It's a smart choice for physical therapists. And taking the top spot on our list, sometimes the simplest answer is the best one, and that's the case with the kieba lacrosse. These 2 rubber balls don't have any bells or whistles, but they're nevertheless able to soothe tired, aching muscles, both at home and on the go. They won't mark walls or floors and are ideal for use on feet and calves. They can be washed with soap and water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for massage balls, or simply click beneath this video.